Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, Gate 2007 question for 2 marks they have asked. Okay, this is also based on deterministic finite automata. Okay, so a minimum state deterministic finite automaton accepting the language. So the minimum state means for deterministic finite automata that is minimal. Okay. A minimum state deterministic finite automaton accepting the language. That language is contained in W. W belongs to any combination of 0, 1. Number of zeros and 1 in W are divisible by 3 and 5 respectively. So number of zeros should be divisible by 3 and 1 should be 5 respectively has. So how many states it will have for this language? The minimum states deterministic finite automaton accepting the language. The minimum state that will be required for accepting this language. So we have seen in the previous lecture in the cross product, whenever we want that number of zeros is divisible by 3, we require 3 states. Number of 1 divisible by 5, we require 5 states. Then we have to do cross product of that. And the cross product of that 2 is going to give you 15. And that 15 is going to be the minimum. For this kind of question, the cross product is going to give the minimum number of states. Okay. So for number of zeros divisible by 3, you require 3 states. Number of 1 divisible by 5, you require 5 states. Then do the cross product, you will get 15 number of states and that is going to be the minimal. So 15 states you will require for this. Okay.